Alright, so today is a big day. I'm not going out for a bike ride by myself because I have my friends.
I'm not your friend.
Yeah, we're not paid to be here.
They're totally paid to be here right now.
We're not paid enough.
Oh, sorry.
I didn't pay him enough. Riding for how many kilometers? 8 kilometers, and taking a break at the little splash pad water park, and I think Tara's gonna dunk her head in there, and I think I might as well. And it's pretty hot out today. It's like 40 C with the humidex, so people are. How you guys feeling? Feeling the heat? Feeling great?
Not at all tired.
Not at all tired. Perfect.
No.
Cool.
Hey guys, I got a vlog coming to you today. I'm in London, Ontario. I went for an epic bike ride this afternoon, and now we're ready to sit down to this raw vegan feast, and I'm going to show you guys.
I'm hungry.
Are you timing how long the filming is taking for all this food?
Waiting for Abby.
How long?
My Instagram post.
Tara to finish.
It's been 2 minutes now.
Over there.
Yeah.
This is the first time I've exercised in 2 months and I'm hungry.
This is our priorities. We have to film all the food before we eat it, naturally. We've got fruit salad.
Get on the YouTube.
Derek, what's in this salad you got here? What's in the dressing?
So it's dates, tomato, avocado, dill, and green onion.
Ooh, that sounds
And
good.
I tossed it.
You tossed it, hey!
The honorary
Hey
salad
now.
tosser for the day.
Alright, so that's those 2 salads right there.
So you tossed those 2 salads and apparently one earlier.
I did.
Oh, okay. And this is the salad I made.
Hashtag that's a sex
It's got avocado, lemon juice, green onion, cracked black pepper, mixed greens, tomatoes, and celery. Oh yeah, baby. And then I think that's a couscous. That looks like a couscous. And then what's that? Looks good. I don't know
Tastes
what
like
it is.
Hawaiian pizza, Hawaiian boats.
Sweet.
Double organic recipe.
Double organic recipe. Shameless plug right there. Oh boy. That's okay, let's get a full view of this here. This is Derek's costume. Just ignore how dirty the banana is. Oh.
It's nice and dirty.
Yeah, yeah.
Is that date sauce?
I don't know.
What are you doing?
Who knows?